We're in the middle of a rainstorm. It's the hardest rain I've ever seen in my life. And everything, even the coffee table is getting wet in the middle of the house. Listen to that. Rio Tres Tucanes is hauling ass. This is the heaviest rain I've seen so far in Costa Rica. It's incredible. King and I went down to the beach. It started raining. We said, okay, well, hell, we'll go back house. We get back up here and look at it. I mean, it's just a flood. If this was Houston, they'd be up to their necks in agua. Be up to their ass. I mean, the workbench is covered with water. Fixing to throw something, move that plasma cutter out of the way. Nah, it's okay. Wow. Put this on the stuff there. I mean, it's coming down so freaking hard, and the wind's blowing a bit, so it's pushing it all through the house and the garage. My little whirly wind thingy. You know, this is beautiful to me. It may be scary for a lot of you guys back home, but for me, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is beautiful. Okay, well, this is an update on the rainstorm. It's been probably an hour and a half after the first scene I shot here, and it is still coming down. It's coming down so hard. And Dad, you get a kick out of this. There's so much moisture in the air that it's tripped 6 out of my 10 ground fault breakers. I just went to the refrigerator. And it's fed out of the panel in the garage, and that ground fault was tripped. And earlier, 4 of these ground faults feeding the counter and the outdoor receptacles had tripped. So it's that wet. I mean, there's only like 2 places in the house that's dry. I'm standing in one of them, and then the bedroom here. It's a little bit quieter in the bedroom because we've insulated the ceiling. You know, have the metal. This is insulated, and there's a ceiling. And now I'm probably in the quietest place in the whole house, which is my sealed up closet. I think I should turn this AC on. See if I can dry this room out. So, there we go. That's the update on the rainstorm. It's an incredible, the hardest rain I've ever seen in my life. If this was Houston, they'd be 6 foot under. They'd be drowned. They'd all be drowned in Houston. And it just hasn't stopped. It's just pouring, pouring, pouring. And I can't even see the Baru. And here's King. Poor King. Hey, you okay, buddy? Yeah, I know. It's raining. Mucho lluvia. Mucho lluvia. My little pinwheels it stops and then it picks up and it spins like crazy and then it stops. The breeze comes and goes. So this is an experience for me because this is a rainstorm I have never witnessed before. First time for me in Costa Rica. I'll get back to you. We'll check up in a little bit. Okay, well, this is an update on the rain situation. It is still pouring. I mean, it is raining very, very hard. Hasn't let up. The wind stopped blowing. I'm dressed. I'm glad I brought some long sleeve clothes down here because the wind and the rain, like a giant freaking cooler. It's got to be about 70 degrees, and I'm used to about 80. So I'm all bundled up. Lucky's here with me. He's in the casa. We spent a few minutes on the bed together. He's down below my feet. King's curled up in the bed, and it looks like a night to stay in the house. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to stay here, take care of my animals, and we'll talk to you in the morning.